This is a 10-minute workout that's designed to help lower cholesterol. It's also great for your heart health, blood pressure and blood circulation. And as your qualified trainer, Wyndham-Read, I've created this 10-minute routine so it's low impact, all standing and just using body weight. And we're going to include a warm-up in the workout. So if you're ready to start taking control of your health, let's get started. Here's a preview of the first move. So this is going to be a bit of a warm-up, but it's also going to be our cardio move that we're going to come back to several times throughout the workout. So let's get ready. We're going to lower your cholesterol. Let's get ready to start with that first cardio move and get ready. And we're just going to take it to that side step. So bend through with the knees, draw the arms in. So you can see on the left that arrow that represents how long we're doing each exercise for. In the right, you can see there your 10-minute countdown clock. So we're just going from side to side. Give me that bend through the knees. So we're helping to mobilize and warm up your body. And you can see here your next move coming up. We do a basic squat and then we tap the foot out either side. All right, so let's get ready and we're going to go for doing that basic squat. Now tap one foot out, then the other foot. Keep repeating. So again, we're going to do that for the duration on the left. You can see your timer bar there. So how it works today, we've got our chorus move, which is the cardio one. We're going to keep coming back to. And then we're doing moves like this. These are body weight resistance. So we're strengthening your muscles. We're strengthening your heart. So we're working on lots of different elements of your fitness within this workout. All right, that's good. Tap that foot out and give me that squat. Nice control. Tap the foot out, doing really well. And halfway through today, we're going to take a water break. So you can press pause, grab some water. All right, that's good. Tap that foot out. And just march that out. All right, so we're going to get ready now to come back to that cardio move, that chorus move. So remember, again, we're just doing that side step and just pull in your arms. This one here is about really taking that heart rate back up again now. And this is how I want to be really conditioning and strengthening your heart as well. That's good. And so it's just that side step. So you can see your next move. This one here, we're going to step one foot behind and slightly across, and you're going to reach one arm in front. So take that foot behind and reach that arm in front. So really stretch that arm out. Make it a really lovely, big, dynamic move. So this is all standing, a low impact cardio workout. Again, just using body weight. Powerful move. Good, and this is going to really help to strengthen and condition your heart. It's also great for longevity. This is overall health because we're still working your balance, mobility and flexibility. So your guide with each exercise is that arrow on the left that shows you how long you've got on each move. Reach your arm in front, doing really well. Step that foot out and behind. Make the most of the room that you've got. And well done. All right, so let's bring it back to that fast cardio move. Think of that as our chorus. We're going to take it straight back and give me that little fast side step going from side to side. That's good. So again, we're taking your heart rate up. So we're doing an element of HIIT training here as well. That's it. And you can make that step a little bit wider. You can bend a little bit deeper as well. And just keeping that focused. So your next move, this time we're going to do a calf raise for 2, and then we do 2 side steps and 2 calf raises. So let's get ready. Step it out to the side for 2 and then reach it 1 and 2, and again step it across and reach it up and up. Just keep going so you can see there your timer bar as well on that one. Let's just keep going. And equally, when we're looking to reduce high cholesterol, nutrition plays a real key part. And I've got all my healthy eating ebooks. I'll leave details for each different one in the description down below. But basically, you want to look at eating more soluble fiber, choose healthy fats, reduce trans fats, eat fatty fish. Look at obviously increasing your fruits and vegetables, as we know, exercise regularly, maintain a healthy weight, quit smoking, limit alcohol, and manage stress. That is key when it comes to helping to lower high cholesterol. And we're going to take a quick water break because hydration is key as well for better health. Okay, so we are back now to that cardio move. Let's just go to that fast side to side. Keep that going, doing really well. So remember, this is the cardio element of today's workout. And the great thing is it's a low impact this, and it's just takes you 10 minutes, plus we're going to do a little stretch at the end. You can do this daily and you can do it even in your pajamas. Right, you can see there, next move, we're going to have fun with this. We're going to go for 4 power kicks and then 4 of these step out. So step it out, 3, go 2 and 1. Now give me a kick, 4, take it 3, 2 and 1, tap it out. And we're just going to keep repeating that sequence. Step the foot out and then kick that in front. And if you're not already, definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel at the end of the video so you get regular workouts. I also post on my community posts and do short little workouts for you to help with your health. Our health is our everything. All right, doing really well. Tap that foot out, kick that leg in front. That's good. And always make these moves as dynamic as you can. Focus on what you're doing. Appreciate how incredible your body is. It's letting you move. It's so important that we remember that. Okay, so we're going to come back to that cardio move. Again, remember it's like that chorus move even. And we're just going that side step and have fun with it. As I always say, it's really important. We should really appreciate our bodies more, appreciate that they let us move. And this isn't about trying to change them. What we want to always focus on is we're maintaining them. We're kind of giving them an MOT. We're helping look after our bodies because it's all about our future health. All right, so you can see your next move coming up. We're going to start in a split stance. So take 1 foot behind for me and just tap that foot in front, then take it back. Just keep going. Add in the arms, make them really big and dynamic. If you find it too hard, you can always just keep your hands on your hips. And this really helps work what we call our motor skills as well. And let's change legs. So we're going to do it now onto the opposite leg. So it's these quick transitions of changing the moves is what makes this really powerful. All right, that's good. Tapping that foot in front. And just really also feel that working through your core. Keep those arms nice and big for me. Keep tapping that foot in front. All right, and just march it out on there. Okay, so we're going to get ready. Take that straight back now to your cardio move. And we're just going to take that to that side step. Just draw those arms down. That's good. And remember, the wider you take the step, the deeper you bend into it, the more you are naturally increasing the intensity of the move for yourself. And definitely let me know in the comments how you're getting on with your training. You can see there, next move, we're going to do a hamstring curl. All right, so let's get ready and we're just going to squeeze those arms back. Give me that hamstring curl. And do, if you've got any questions about your training, I always look at the comments and I try to answer as many as I can. If you've got any questions or want ideas on perhaps what is the next workout that you should do, let me know and I'll try and respond to as many as I can. All right, that's good. So you're keeping that bend through the knee. Feel that activating through the posterior chain in the lower body. So we're activating the hamstring, the glutes. Keeping those arms up is really helping to condition and strengthen your heart. It's going to also help increase your blood circulation as well. We're nearly done. Let's just keep going and then let's just march it out. So again, for this one, we're going to get ready to go back to your cardio chorus and just give me that side step. Now really pull those arms down. You can see here we've nearly finished. So it's a bit of an unusual routine, but basically I've kept you moving non-stop for 10 minutes. I've boosted your heart health and I've helped to lower high cholesterol as well. Let's just keep that going. So we're going to finish off with a move where we're going to do calf raises to then a little squat. So we come up to a calf raise. They actually call, so start with just giving me that calf squat, and now calf raise. So they call our gastrocnemius, that's the calf muscle, our second heart. And this is really important for blood circulation, hence why we're finishing on that move. So we come up calf raise, little squat, come up calf raise. If you struggle with balance, remember you could always place a hand by a wall or use a chair for balance. And nearly finished, so we've nearly completed your 10 minutes. All right, just march it out. What I want to do now, it's really important, is just do a nice full body stretch with you. If you need to hit pause, you can have another water break. If not, let's get straight into doing that lovely stretch. So we'll start with your calf stretch. What I want you to do is take 1 foot behind, hands are on that bent leg in front, and just feel the stretch where the arrows are pointing. This is also really good for your heart health and blood circulation because we're stretching through all, even your arteries, your veins, your whole body. And this is where it's really also good for postural alignment as well. Let's change legs, take that to the other side. Just lean into that stretch so you're feeling that through that calf muscle. Just feel that lovely stretch, doing really well. All right, that's good. And if this workout, if you found it helpful, do share it as well. These are free workouts. Let's help get everyone healthy, fit and moving. So now we're going to do a hamstring stretch. Just follow along. Step 1 foot in front, heel is up. Just get that lovely stretch through that hamstring, the back of the upper leg. Hands are always on your bent leg for me. That's good. Just really feel that stretch. Let's come up, take that to the other leg for me. Heel is pressed into the floor, toes lifted. Feel that stretch. That's good, doing really well. And do let me know in the comments other videos you'd like me to create for you. It's my job as your qualified online trainer. Let's do a quadricep stretch to give you the best home workouts. Feel that stretch through the front of your thigh. Make sure your supporting knees slightly bent. I post workouts every single Monday, have done without fail for the last 13 years. All right, let's do that on the opposite leg. Feel that stretch running down the front of the thigh. Knees staying slightly bent. That's good. And let's now stretch through your upper back. So take those arms in front, just get that lovely stretch. Really focus on separating your shoulder blades. And now take your arms behind, feel that stretch through the front of your chest. Doing really well. And now let's take one arm up, feel that stretch through the back of the upper arm, your tricep. And then let's take that to the opposite arm again, feeling that lovely stretch. So well done, that is your workout complete. There is your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done right now is simply invest in your future health. And I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.